Come on! Come on! Yes! Shoot! Oh.
Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and let's talk about using the PowerShot V10 by Canon in the black, but it's also available in white and black silver. These released back in August 2023 for the retail price of £400, but also $450 if you include the vlogging kit that had the lens cap, wrist strap, magnetic windshields for the inbuilt microphone, as well as a carrying case. The box looks like this, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into what I love about using this camera and why I think it's perfect for shy solo vloggers like myself. Just a quick behind the scenes of some of the B-roll footage. The main thing is the design and weight. I love its pocketable design at just 211 grams. It also looks kind of like a smartphone, so people don't really notice when filming compared to when I use my mirrorless camera. I like the flip out touchscreen, which is easy to use. I love the built-in kickstand, which allows me to sit the camera anywhere, and there's no need for a tripod. The fixed wide angle lens at 18 to 22mm, depending on your stabilization settings, is perfect for vlogging. I realize that if I put my hand all the way out, it's a pretty wide field of view. And it also has a built-in ND filter, which works pretty well, especially in outdoor shots. The built-in microphone is decent, but the external mic jack option is unusual for cameras this size. So this is just a quick test to kind of see how focusing is, how things look while walking and talking without the microphone. I attached my portable Saramonic SR XM1, which is a unidirectional mic, aka shotgun mic, which isolates sounds and just focuses on the direction the sound is coming from. So now I've input the mic, and I just wanted to talk about some things on my way to the gym. Another thing I like is the built-in battery. It's easy to charge on my phone charger, which is USB Type-C, and it also allows me to top up using a power bank on the go. The battery life is okay. I'm not a super heavy user. I just use it for small clips and flicks of where I'm about, and it's never died on me. The camera does warn about overheating using 4K, but I always shoot in 4K and I've had no issues. Overall, I love having this camera with me. I prefer the images and video from a camera compared to the smartphone. It feels less glossy and overprocessed, and it has that natural look. And I must admit that the image quality is not as sharp as my mirrorless camera, which you're seeing right now. But I still think it's a fair trade-off for the portable size, and I think the overall image quality is brilliant. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please drop a like and comment power to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss. I use the GH5. I have no reason to upgrade because I feel like a lot of these new cameras tend to be super expensive with not that many great features, and for some reason like the GH6 and GH7 seems to get bigger, and I like a more compact form factor. I love the new iPhone Air, and I love that technology is getting smaller and slimmer, not bigger and bulkier. But let me know what camera you use. I use the GH5 as well as my new PowerShot V10. And let me know if you have any other comments in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Apart from that, have a good day. Ooh.